Go to the right lane out of Marietta, Georgia. Lady drives a 90 Camaro. Jerry Hyder. 1348 at 100 miles an hour. Big Chevrolet, it was driven by one Chevrolet motor, and single payload, Commerce and his S10 truck. That's the level. Line side dated Hollis is 69, 400 cubic inch. Hollis 1288, Freighter 1347. Beating 8. Wanda Glover, lady from Cumming, Georgia, in the 67 Camaro goes up against Lloyd Keeler, east from Lawrenceville, driving a 72 Buick. Red lights Flint, Michigan Flyer pulled out with a 14 Chevrolet with a 1486 and a pair of 66, no, make it a 66 and 67. Chevelle's a 66, that's Mike Marks. Chevy here is a 67, that's Big Miller. Compared to the March Rapid Drive, 100 miles an hour, Silver Chevrolet. Now though, he's a 1326, Stevie Myers, a 1941. For Allen to a 1389 for Terry Free. Jimmy Davis is one of these guys, old-timey racing machines in his old years, so he does pay a big price. Not near as much money as sports eliminator because you don't have to worry about really delay boxes at the starting line. So he's got some serious adjustments. Danny Goddard for Quiet Lane, the 74 Chevrolet Buick versus P.D. Allen in the gray suede 73 Malibu. Robert Hogue all by himself in the Monte Carlo with a 1329 and 102. Alan Clark, he's another one of our racers every week. He was a former division champion. Allen there first for the 1305. And here's Jimmy Davis. Got the stealth banded on the 9 Chevrolet. And at 1224 to 111.53 for Jimmy. Just inside there first with a 14:38. Chevrolet will have the racetrack all to itself. 14:27 on the solo pass. Stacy's going to be there first with 11:16. Fran with an 11:27. The speed of Stacy is 120 and 112 with Fran. At the bottom of the 610, 8 mile mark. And over down the other end, over a second separation car, 15:42 to 16:71. Mustang has problems out